The tide is very low. Happy Mother's Day! I found one. Look at that baby. If you dug that up, you would have feet. Let's see what it does. Ah! Now it's gonna disappear. Ah! I'm not so sure it's in danger yet. Hey! 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 There it goes. It's gone. I saved your life. Now you don't get dug up. Look at that. I found his point. Beautiful. You're beautiful for an evil guy. You know, not a marine biologist. Not my specialty. But you were cool. I'll let you have at it, buddy. Get back in there. Get back to work. Let me help you out a little bit. Cool little devil. Look at all those clams down there. We found a clam bed. Definitely. I hear weird noises. Clams squirting. Birds? Nope, just clam squirting. Oh, there went another one. Missed it. Another one over here. They're trying to get me. They're warning me. Get away. Alright, I'm leaving. Jeez. Alright. It sounds like birds chirping, but it's not. Do you hear that? No birds. Just squirting clams. Ooh, that one sounded like a dog. Ew. They really don't like me here. Okay, I'll leave. Jeez. Stumbled across some genuine driftwood. Beautiful. Oh my god! Cute little baby footprints in the sand.
Yeah, they're small children.
Yeah, obviously. They're not your footprints.
Yes, they are.
No.
Yes.
No.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you're right. They're definitely yours. What did you find?
Wanna come look?
Spider crab. Spider crab?
There was even a shrimp in there.
A shrimp?
Yeah. He pulled down the seaweed.
Oh
He's
my
like,
gosh.
No.
No, let me out. I don't want to cook.
We let him out and put him up there, and he crawled back into the bucket.
I'm thinking they'll let me back in the water.
Mom,
That's funny. It's cool how you buried it like an underground swimming pool. What? What? You dug the china.